So let's see how we can use the transformation matrix to get the image, and then followed by another transformation matrix that maps the other image onto another image. So we said a 2 by 2 matrix can transform any object into an image as long as you multiply the row by the column. Now, so we take the matrix should be on the left hand side always. We say 0, -1, -1, 0 on the left hand side. On the right hand side, the object, which is A 30, B 32, C 02. Now, since most of the matrices have zeros and some ones, it is very easy to multiply using the shortcut method. So how do we do that? We look at A, this one is multiplied by this, but this is multiplied by the top one. So 0 times 3 is 0. And the bottom one, this one, with a star, is multiplied by the other one with the star. And they are added. But because the ones at the top will always be multiplied by 0, the result will always be 0. So let's see. 0 times 3 plus -1 times 0 is 0. Because 0 times 3 is 0. -1 times 0 is 0. So if you add 0 and 0, you get 0. 0 times 3, 0. -1 times 2 is -2. Let's go on like that. 0 times 0 is 0. -1 times 2 is -2. Because the top ones are zeros. So let's look at this one, which is easy now. -1 times 3. Now, looks like the bottom ones will be multiplied by 0. So the bottom ones, this one, this row, they will all be zeros. So all we do is concentrate on multiplying the top ones, this first row, by -1. Because the second row will be multiplied by 0. And the first row by -1. Now, so we'll get -3, -1 times 3 is -3, because 0 times 2 is 0. -1 times 0 is 0. 0 times 2, 0. So the result is that. Now remember, we have to write the answer like this. A prime, 0, -3. B prime, -2, -3, -2, 0. For it to be marked, because coordinates are not in a column form. Then let's plot the first one. Now this one has negative values, so we have to balance. Actually, use a pencil, so in case of any mistake. Now, so we now plot. We first plot the object. 30. 30 is here. That is A. 32. 32 is here. That is B. 02. 02 is here. That is C. Then we join the ruler. That is the object. You get a mark for that. Now, then we 0 is this line. -3 is here. -2, -3. -2, -3. -2, 0. -2, 0. Then we join. Then you get a mark for that. For drawing that, you get a mark for multiplying and getting the answer in that form. Now, we are asked, identify the transformation represented by the matrix. So these matrices represent either reflection, rotation, enlargement, and other matrices that we shall learn later. Now, so let's see what it is. So we try to see first from the image 3, 0. There are two ways. B was 2, 3. C was 0, 2.